The eyelash curler with innovative design can fit all eye shapes to reach all of your lashes. Create the most lift and curl for a gorgeous, eye-opening look. The spring-loaded lash curler prevents pinching and pulling. It will help regulates the amount of pressure applied to the lashes. No pain and no broken lashes, safe to use. Complementary 4 high-grade replacement pads which are made of silicone, having good elasticity and excellent in workmanship. Keep a long lifespan by replacing the refill pads per 2 months. The mini lash curler with compact size and lightweight. Easy to pack in your cosmetic bag, allow you to use where you go. Perfect makeup tool for your travel or home use. The eyelashes curler is made of professional quality stainless steel with prism coating. 1-year guarantee and lifetime customer support for this item. Top reviews from the United States. Exceeds expectations. Very high quality product. I was absolutely blown away by how attractive and sturdy this eyelash curler is. The price was so affordable that expected a cheaply made product, but that was not the case. The copper color is very pretty and the metal seems durable. Great purchase.